this is how you disassemble the first gen TSX Navi unit. There's 8 screw. First you have to remove this 8 screw right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6, 7, 8. Well, I already removed it, so it's easy, for me to record this. So once you remove that 8 screw, lift this thing up. This is the bottom lights, and then disconnect all the connectors here. Just pull this one up and put it aside, and then lift this, connect that out. Pretty easy. And then another 2 screw, little screw. One right there, and one right here. I might as well remove this 2 little screw too. One right here, and another one right here. And then after that, just hold the CD changer and lift it off like that. One that's off. There's need to take this plastic housing off. There's 4 tabs, one here, and one there. So kind of put the it's kind of hard for me to do one-handed here. So kind of push this to your left for the left tab. Put to the right for the right tab. See, as you push it, and kind of lift it up, okay? And it will come out. Well, it will lift off. Oh shit. Okay, let me put the camera down a little bit. For this one here, you use like a tiny screwdriver. Push to the right, and push to the left. Why do that? Just come on. Damn it. Come on. To the left. Just lift it off. That's it. You see the whole thing in here. So, in order to remove this LCD here, disconnect the cable, the connectors. One here, and one here. And then one here, and another one here. So 5 connectors all together. Once you remove that, you need to remove this screw here. One here. There's one down in here, and one here, and one here. Okay, after you remove those screw, carefully just lift it off. There you go. Well, in case if you need to clean your screen, this is how you take it off. Put it aside. And then before you remove this, this two controllers on the sides here, kind of put it on something that it's not push the button on the bottom, okay? Because I'll tell you why. So kind of put like that. The button is not push up, so nothing getting messy here. Just lift this thing up. Before you lift it up, kind of tap on it, okay? So you lift it up. You see those blue pin? Those are plastic. Sometimes it's it's thick on here, and then it will it will drop down. So if this happens, just pick it up with like a needle plier, and then put it back where it is, okay? You see how it is? You see that's what you see how oh shit. See that? That's for the buttons. When you push down to this buttons here. So now you see this it came out, see? But that's okay. Just just put it back, okay? Same as here. Just tap on it a little and kind of lift it up a little. Oh, it's stuck, see? There you have it. One here, one there. Okay, now next to this board here on the bottom, there's about six screw. One here. You see with the circle, white circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 2 little tab here. You see right there? Just push, okay? And then same here, push it with your thumb or whatever. Why push it and remember, same thing. Tap on it, okay? Kinda, why push the tab and lift it up? You see that? Same over here. Lift it up and push the tab. And then lift the whole board out, okay? Yeah, oh shit. Okay, see that? There you go. See all this shit? It's kind of annoying, you know, when it came off and shit and you have to put it back. Oh, forgot to mention, before you take this board out, there's like two buttons on the bottom here. You have to pull it off, okay? Just pull it straight out. They will come out. And I think that's it. See, don't do like me, okay? I mean, you can take this thing off, but look. Fucking all the blue pins fell out and shit. So once you put this back, you have to put all the pins back, okay? So just put it back in the reverse order. That's it. This is the Navi version, okay? I will make a video on a non-Navi later on.